Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm a new blogger, Crypto Hand. I use the shortest time every day to bring you the most practical information about the coin circle, stocks, and futures circle. However, I have to say that the following content is only for news, not for investment advice. First of all, let's review Bitcoin's price performance over the past 24 hours and analyze key technical indicators and market trends. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Let's take a look at the data first. This week, Bitcoin continued to fluctuate at high points. The highest pound reached $105,800, and the lowest pound was $107,180, maintaining a narrow range fluctuation of 0.5%. At the same time, due to the results of the Sino-US trade negotiations, the market's positive sentiment is high, and U.S. stock indexes rose one after another. Currency-related stocks such as MicroStrategy broke through $420 this week, and Coinbase saw 25% in one trading day last night, reaching $258.3. The market reflects a thriving scene, but whether such a pull-up can achieve an exponential increase still depends on the attitude of institutions. In terms of trading volume, a total of 21,250 bitcoins were traded in the past 24 hours, with a transaction value of $96.7318 billion. Since it exceeded $100,000, it has been in a narrow range of fluctuations, but the daily inflow and outflow are not very large, indicating that the players making multiple transactions are basically old players in the currency circle, buying low and selling high. The trading sentiment in the market is still relatively calm. In sharp contrast, altcoins led by Ethereum have seen an epic rise in the recent days, which may be a signal of the arrival of the altcoin season. Next, we move on to the technical analysis from the 4-hour chart. After a few days of consolidation, a support band was formed at the position of $103,000. When the price of the currency touched $105,800, it fell rapidly. Three consecutive negative lines plunged down to the position of $100,000. It was supported again when the U.S. stock market opened. This shows that the current users who can buy bitcoins or new users are mostly in North America and Europe, while most users in the Asian time zone are mainly for selling. Judging from the existing graphics, the next trend is not clear. Whether the position above $100,000 can be maintained remains to be identified. The Asian time zone is mainly dominated by sellers, and the European and American time zones are mainly dominated by buyers. Which side will have more advantages need to wait for the release of fundamental information. The current value of the market's panic and the greedy index is 74, which is in the greedy position. The last time the market focused on the greedy index, the price of Bitcoin was also at this position, and then it fell all the way after Trump took office. It is hard to say whether this time it will be the same development path as the last time. The main difference is that there are no particular major positive events at present. Unless Bitcoin starts a new cycle similar to the market in 2021, $100,000 is the bottom of the new cycle. Otherwise, the decline is inevitable. Therefore, friends who are currently long should not be too greedy. We suggest to take profits in time to avoid risk. The BRP platform will provide you with better and more convenient services in the crypto market. BRP is a world-leading multi-asset trading center headquartered in Singapore. It has successfully established subsidiaries and expanded its business in the United States, Hong Kong, and other places. At present, the number of registered users has reached 509,000, covering various countries and regions around the world. Its business includes global payments and international remittances, as well as major investment services such as U.S. stocks, Hong Kong stocks, and digital currencies. BRP currently supports online real-time exchange of more than 30 mainstream legal currencies and more than 200 mainstream digital currencies. You can check the exchange rate and convert it on BRP website. It provides a mid-rate with zero hidden price difference and has only a very small handling fee, which is simpler, more transparent, and cheaper. It also adopts the local transfer method in most countries or regions in the world, with no limit on the amount and truly achieves achieves same-day remittance and same-day arrival, making global remittance faster, more convenient, and safer. So much for today's sharing.